Hi, Intro to Computers. I just wanted to maybe clear up any questions that you guys might have over this week's assignment. You'll notice that there's quite a few here. However, it's not maybe as difficult as some of you might think. So I would start at the bottom. And so click on the very first one on the bottom, which is Google Docs, uploading files to Google Drive. And then you are going to read the directions, of course. And the idea here is I'm not able to necessarily instruct you through. So I would watch the videos, read through any of the content, and then complete the challenge at the bottom and turn any documents into this Dropbox. So for this particular one, if you open up the link, then of course, you go through here, watch the video, read through. Anything that you don't understand, of course, you can ask me, but it gives you kind of a step-by-step on how to do some of these things. So at the bottom, there will be a challenge, and this will be on each of those links in Classroom. There'll be a challenge at the bottom. So this particular one says that you need to open Google Drive and upload a Microsoft Office file. I don't know if you guys have Microsoft Office. That is something I probably do need to find out, because if you don't have access to it, we need to get you access to maybe Office 365 at some point. And we can kind of take that as a case-by-case basis. So, but anyway, if you don't have an Office file, you can download the example. So you'll click on the example, it'll download. This will actually go into your downloads. That's where it will wind up. I would advise making a folder on this PC. Now, you guys won't have an H drive at home, obviously, and I'm not sure if you're working on a Chromebook. If you're working on a Chromebook, you're okay to keep it in downloads. I mean, you're okay to keep it in downloads at home as well. But I would know where my files are and maybe move them over if you're on a PC to a folder where you can find your things. Maybe even making a folder on your computer and naming it maybe in your documents. You can make a new folder and name it Intro to Computers. And then from your downloads, if you move this over into your intro to, I think I added it to the wrong file. So now you have the file that you need. So then what you're going to do is upload it to your drive. So with Google Drive open, in your Intro to Computers folder, you are going to drag that in there to upload it. Another way that you guys can do it is click on New in File Upload. And then from your Documents folder or from your Downloads folder, whichever place that you have your file, you're going to open it, and then it will begin the upload here at the bottom right. You'll see it. I've already done this once today, so you'll notice that I've got 2 here. From here, the directions were to convert your file to a Google document. So the way to do that is to open it. And then you're going to go to File, Save as Google Docs. And then, so basically what happened was the formatting has changed a little bit because it's different from one program to the next. And when you're taking something from Word to Google Drive, it's going to look a little bit differently, although probably not too many differences in this case. But I'll know that you did this correctly if the .docx went away. So from here, you're going to do your print screen option where you're clicking on your keyboard where it says print screen. So if I press that print screen button, you can't see that I did that, but I did. So it's on your keyboard and it says print screen at the top. Then you're going to go back to your drive, and then you're going to go to New, Google Docs, and you have one of two options here. You can press Control V to paste, which is pasting. It's a shortcut paste. Or you can right click and paste. Will get you the same thing, and that's that I need to see that you actually did this. And then you'll name it uploading files. And then from here, you're going to turn this into, and yours will look different than mine, but you'll turn it into add the screenshot to this Dropbox. So to answer Anna's question, and it may be some of you others' question as well, then you're going to work on the next one. So the next one is Google Docs managing your files. You're going to click on the link, go through the videos, read the content, and then complete the challenge at the bottom. This one requires a screenshot as well. So once you went through all of this and you understand it, the challenge is at the bottom, follow through. And so it even tells you it should look something like this when you're finished. And so this is what you're taking a screenshot of. And then you'll turn that screenshot into this managing your files section. And then you'll go to the next one and just keep working your way up. So hopefully that helps answer some questions that some of you may have had about this particular week and kind of the setup that it will be for a little bit. Again, hopefully you're watching this all the way through. And if you need access to Microsoft Word, let me know through email and I will help get you set up with that.